Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make the spaceship. So what I want to do is first go to the circle one, click the circle one and click the fill one. And what we want to do, the first we're going to make this a head part. By that head part, I mean we're going to go to the fill and go to its color light blue. So we got the light blue for the head part. What I want to do is I want to make this circle into an oval shape as the head part of the spaceship. So what I want to do is, let's see, will it work? Yes, it will work, but I'm going to place it in the target sign. And this is the head part, but we're not done yet. What I want to do is, I want to click the reshape tool and just grab it from the upper middle dot a little bit up. And it's there. Yes, the first head part is done. What we want to do is next we want to make it the second part of the ship, the silver part. What I want to do is to the silver part, first go to the fill, we'll grab the gray color. And what do you want to do for this gray color? We're going to make it a bit warmer, like that. And we got the and go to this halfway part like that. But instead we want to make sure we want to decrease it from the middle dot and follow from the upper dot, middle dot. And then we got this spaceship, but it's not done yet. Once I click on the blue part, I will click the front part. And once I click this blue part to the front one and to make sure that this spaceship is properly designed, and yes, we're done with these two parts of this. The two parts of the spaceship is done, but we need to make the lights. First, we need to put a circle and go to the fill and make the brightness a little bit, make the brightness go high and the saturation to the right side. And once we got the brightness up to its highest point, we need to go and make yellow for this light part of the spaceship. And once we got this one, we're going to make this oval shape a tiny, tiny oval shape. So once we made it in this yellow part into a tiny oval shape, what we want to do, we want to make this tiny oval shape, grab it to its middle position, where it's centered properly. Yes, it's centered properly. But again, we need to make at least two more lights. Once I click this yellow one, we need to copy and paste this one. So the second part is there, but we need to tilt it to its left. And once we tilt it to its left part, then there we go. And there we have it. It's there. But we got two lights there, one from the middle, one to the left. What do we want to do? We need to click the yellow one and copy and paste this one and grab it to the right handed side and tilt it to its right to its right hand position just to make sure it's safely secured. And once it's safely secured, we just want to space it out. And will it work? Yes, it works. And there you go. We got the spaceship. I will use the mouse pointer one just to make sure that this spaceship is grouped. And once we group the spaceship, we have to click the group button to make sure that this spaceship is properly spaced. And there you go. We've got the spaceship there, but we're going to center it in its middle position. And there we have it. We've got the spaceship.